Hey everyone, today I went to the stores today and I picked up four more amiibos for Super Smash Bros. Game to compatible with Hyrule Warriors. And I got new amiibos here. The first one I did open before was Donkey Kong. It looks really good. Let's see how he looks. It's really nice. Nice and detailed. The fur is nice and good. So yeah, this is going to be my first unboxing video of a character, an amiibo character, on my channel here. So this is going to be a short video. Don't forget to put a like and a comment below. So actually, don't forget, leave a comment and a like down below on my channel. And yeah, let's open it. Okay, let's see what it actually is. This is the Toon Link amiibo. If you're not familiar with the Wind Waker game on GameCube or the remake on Wii U, this is where he's from. So yeah, let's get to it. I don't want to wreck the box. I did that with when I did Pikachu. Okay. Let's take plastic out, close that up, throw that on the side over here, and that's what he looks like in the stand inside here. Let's open this part open and pop out him out without breaking him first. Here's Toon Link, the great little amiibo for Smash Bros. He looks really good. He got his Master Sword and his shield, hero shield. It was used in different games. It was used in the Thunder Hourglass and Spirit Tracks and Wind Waker, but mostly it only featured the sword and the shield in the Wind Waker. It got carried on in the other game. In Spirit Tracks. Yeah. This is Toon Link amiibo. It looks really nice. Got his little scabbard here, like I did it with when I showed my other Link amiibo. I might as well show my other Link amiibo actually. Here's my Link amiibo right here. He's actually my first one right here. This is my second to first one along with this one. Put them together. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, now I actually got all four Zelda characters for amiibo. Toon Link is one, the Link is other, Zelda, and I got another one in a Sheik. So yeah, that was Toon Link unboxing of amiibo. Unboxing amiibo Toon Link, Link cartoon. Yeah. So yeah, that was my unboxing of my amiibo Toon Link for Super Smash Bros. For Wii U.